Hi, welcome once more to Mr. Max. In this lesson, we are going to revise from February-March 2015 probability section. February-March 2015 probability section. So like always what I'm saying, you have to download the question paper from our app, or you can go to Department of Education website, and there also you can download this question paper. Okay, so it's better to have a question paper like this in front of you before you watch this lesson. Okay, so anyway, let's start February-March 2015 question number 10.1. So what is question number 10.1? Look at that question. Research was conducted about driving under the influence of alcohol. Information obtained from the traffic authorities in 54 countries on the method that are used to measure alcohol levels in a person are summarized below. So, there is a research conducted about the driving under influence of alcohol. Okay, so information obtained from the traffic authorities in 54 different countries. So total how many countries are talking about? 54 different countries. Okay, on the method that are used to measure alcohol levels. So in 54 countries, the methods that they are used to measure the alcohol those who are driving, okay, how they are detecting what degree or what measurement of alcohol they are consumed. Okay, so what are the different methods? Okay, so now what are the bullets given? Look at the question, look at the bullet after that. 4 countries use all the 3 methods A, B and C. So there are 4 countries use all the 3 methods A, B and C. There are 3 methods. One is A, B and C. Okay, and 4 countries all the 3 methods. And there at the bottom you can see a partially completed Venn diagram is also given. Okay, so let me draw that Venn diagram here for you to understand clearly. There is a Venn diagram given like this, and this is the sample space, and you know that the sample space total how many countries are there? 54. Okay, and this is our C. Then look at the Venn diagram given there, it is B, and this one is our A. This is A, this is 4 given, and they are saying that this is F, this is D, 15, E, G, 8, and outside it is 6. So these are the given quantities. Okay, so there are 3 types of 3 methods that they are using to measure the alcohol level. Okay, so what are the 3 methods? A, B and C. And what is the first bullet? 4 countries use all the 3 methods. So here you can see that this is the area that are common for all the 3 circles. Am I right? You already studied Venn diagram. Okay, so this is the area that are common for all the 3 circles. Okay, that is why 4 countries use all the 3 methods. Okay, second bullet 12 countries use the alcohol content of A. Let me read that A and B, that's all we want. Okay, so 12 countries use alcohol content of A and B. So A and B, which circles are there? This circle and this circle, these 2 circles. Okay, so A and B, what is common? 12 countries use A and B. So here you can see that A and B, this is the common. Okay, so look at this common area for A and B. 4 plus 8 is 12. That is what is given. Okay, so 4 plus 8, that is 12. Look at the second bullet. 12 countries use alcohol content of A and B. Okay, now look at the third bullet. 9 countries use blood alcohol content B and C. So B and C total how many? 9. Which one is B and C? B, this is B and C. These two circles common. Which area is common for B and C? This is the circle B and this one is a circle C. So here you can see that this area is common for B and C. Am I right? This is B circle and this one is C circle. So which area is common for B and C? This one. Okay. So there, how many countries are there? Third bullet. 9 countries use A and C. So it means that here in this common space for B and C, total is 9. Okay. On this space, we already know that it is 4. So what is remaining here? Total is 9. So here on this space 4. So what is remaining here? It is 9. Okay. So there the value of D is, here we can see that the value of D is 5. How do you get 5? Then only we will get the total of this area as 9. 5 plus 4, that is 9. Okay. Now look at the next bullet. 8 countries use the alcohol content of A and C. A and C common how many countries? 8 countries. A and C. Which one is A circle? This is A circle and this one is C circle. So for these two circles, what is a common? 8. So which one is a common for A circle and C circle? This part. Am I right? This part is common for A and C. So how many A and C common? 8 countries. So here it is 4. This one is 4. So what is remaining here? This one is also supposed to be 4. Then only this 4 plus 4 is going to be 8. Common area total is 8. So it means that this area it is 8. So here we already know this one is 4. So it means that the remaining is also 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. Now look at the next bullet. 21 countries use the alcohol content A. So overall in A, how many are there? 21. It is given as 21 countries use A method. Okay. So here this is the circle A for A. Okay. So here 8 plus 4 plus 4 plus G. When you add all of this one in this circle, you are supposed to get a 21. So we know that this one is 4. Okay. So let me write it like this. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 8 plus G, and that is equal to 21. In that circle, it is given in the question that 21 use the alcohol content of A. Total is A. Total means total of this A. So here 4 plus 4 plus 8 plus G, that is 21. So what is this one? 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus G is equal to 21. So what is G? 21. Take this 16 to the other side. So it is minus 16. So G is equal to 5. So it means that the value of G is also 5. Okay. What is the value of D we got? So we can write that one also. Also D is equal to, we already find that one, D is equal to 5. Then which one we got? E as 4. E is equal to 4. Then now we got G as and G is already here. G is 5. Okay. Now look at the next bullet. 32 countries use B. So here the total is 32. Am I right? 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 5, 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 plus 15 is 32. So it's right. Okay. Total B is 32. So when we add this one, all the numbers in that B circle, if we add, we will get 32. That means this value is correct. Okay. Now look at the next bullet. 20 countries use C. 20 countries use C. So here what is C means? F plus 4 plus 4 plus 5. You have to consider this C circle, all the numbers in the C circle. When you add all the numbers in C circle, you are supposed to get how many? 20. Okay, so let me add all the circles, all the numbers in C circle. F, so it is F plus this E is 4. We already got that one. 4 plus this is 4 plus this is 5. Okay, so when you add all the numbers in that C circle, what is the total? 20. It is given in the question that 20. So what is this one? F plus 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So F plus 13 is equal to 20. So how can we find F? Take this 13 to the other side. So it is 20 minus 13. So F is equal to 7. So it means that the value of F is 7. Okay. Now what? 6 countries use none of these methods. So here we can see that these 6 are not using A, B or C. Okay. So that is why it is written here. But that 6 is also inside our sample space, that 54. Okay. But they are not using any of these method A, B or C. That is why that 6 is here. Okay. Now what is the first question? 10.1.1. Use the given information and the Venn diagram to determine the values of D, E, F, G. So actually this is 10.1.1. You have to find D, E, F, G. So what is D? D is 5. What is E? E is 4. What is G? G is 5. What is F? F is 7. Okay, that is question number 10.1.1. Let's go to next question, 10.1.2. Question number 10.1.2. 10.1.2. What is that question? For a randomly selected country, calculate. For a randomly selected country, calculate. What is the first question? Probability of A and B and C. Probability of A and B and C. Probability of A and B and C means, what is the meaning of, okay, let me write it like exactly like what is given in the question. Okay, so probability of A and B and C, this is like what is given in the question. Okay, probability of A and B and C. What you studied in your class? And means what? And means in probability, and is intersection, and or means what in probability? Or means union. Okay, so here probability of A and B and C means A and means intersection. This is the same as probability of A intersection B intersection C. What is the meaning of this intersection? Intersection means common. Okay, so it means that you have to find, question is to find the probability of this A, B and C are common. So which number is common? A, B, C. Which space is common? This space. How many are there? 4. Am I right? Okay, so there are 4 countries that are common, or they are using all that A, B, C methods. Okay, so here we have to find the probability, don't forget that. So A intersection B intersection C is 4, common for all that 3. Okay, that is 4 divided by, since this is a probability, you have to divide that one with the total number. Total how many are there? Total 54 countries. Am I right? So it is probability is 4 divided by 54. So you have to simplify that one. What is 227? Am I right? Okay, so what is the simplified answer? 2 by 27. So probability of A intersection B intersection C is 2 over 27. That is question number A. Okay, now next question, question number B. Question number B. What is question number B? You have to find probability of A or B or C. Look at the question. The second question is excuse me, you have to find the probability of A or B or C. I already told you or means what? Union. Union means what? All. Okay. So it means that you have to write A, B and C. What is the total of A, B, C? Union means all. Okay. Okay. Let me write this one. Probability of A. What is OR means? Union. All of that one. A, B, union, C. OR is the same as union. Union means what? You have to all of that one, A, B, C. Okay. So it means that A, B, C means inside all of these A, B, C circle, total how many? Okay. So what you have to do? 5 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 15 plus 5 plus 7. You have to check in your calculator what is answer. Okay. So 54 minus 6. In your calculator, if you add all of this one, you will get 48. When you add all of that one, you will get a 5 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 15 plus 5 plus 7. Okay, you will get 48 divided by overall how many countries total? 54. So here when you add, must be careful, don't include this 6. Why? Because 6 is not in A union B union C. A union B union C means all the elements in that A, B, C. Okay, that is only 48 because this 6 is not inside A, B and C. Okay, so that is why 48 by 54. Okay, so now simplified form, you have to simplify this one. Check in your calculator what is the answer of that one. 8 over 9. So in your calculator you will get 8 over 9. The same question you can do like this also, guys. Here probability of A union B union C. Actually what you have to do is without adding all this number, this is what I did quickly. Okay, only 6 is outstanding outside the ABC. Okay, so total how many? 54. If you subtract this 54 minus 6, then you will get the remaining of these numbers, that is 48. You understand? So in both ways you can do. Okay, so that is more easy. You know that this number, all of the sum of all of these numbers plus 6, that is this 54. So how can I find all these numbers easily? You just subtract 54 minus 6, that is 48. That is the, when you add all of these numbers inside the circle, you will get 48. Then the probability is divided by 54, that is 8 over 9. So that is question number B. Now let's go to question number C. Question number C. What is question number C? Probability of C. Am I right? Probability, sorry. Question number C. Probability of only C. What is probability of only C? That only word only is very important. Only C means what? This 7. Am I right? So before okay, let's finish that question. Okay, only C means what? This one is only C, this area. How many are there? 7. So what is the probability? 7 over 54. Okay, so 7 over 54. Yeah, that's a simplified answer. Now before I go to the next question, what is only C? How many are only C? You just want to tell me how many numbers are there. Okay, only C 7, only B 15, only A, that is 5. Okay, A and B common, A and B, not this 8. A and B common is this area, so it is 8 plus 4, 12. Okay, A and C common, A and C common means this area, so it is 4 plus 4, 8. B and C common, B and C common means this area, so it means that 4 plus 5, that is 9. Okay, then not A, B and C, 6. A, B and C, 48. Okay, all common for A, B and C, common for A, B and C, it is 4. Okay, now listen here. A and C but not B. A and C but not B. You must be careful. A and C means this area. Am I right? A and C means this area. This is a common area for A and C. Okay, but not to B. Not to B means you are not allowed to include this circle. So what is remaining? It's 4, because you are not, because this 4 is inside that B. So we are not allowed to take that. Not to B. That means A and C but not B means that A and C means this 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, but if it is not to B, then we can't take this 4. So remaining is only this 4. Okay, look at this one. A and B but not C. A and B. A and B means what? This area 4 plus 8 all. Okay, but if it is not to C, then don't include this 4, because that 4 is a part of C. So what is remaining? 8. You understand? Okay, one more. B and C but not A. So it means that B and C common is this part, that is 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, so but here what is written, what is the question? B and C but not A. So here you can see that this 4 is inside the circle A. So what is not A means you are not allowed to take this 4. So what is remaining? 5. That means B and C but not A means that it is only this 5. Okay, so in all these different methods you have to understand. Okay, so listen again and try to make sure that you know those things. Okay, let's do next question. Question number D. What is that one? Probability that a country uses exactly two methods. Probability of exactly two methods. Exactly two methods. So how many countries are using exactly two methods? These 4 countries using how many methods? 3 methods, because that is common for A, B and C. Am I right? Okay, but these 4 countries, they are using only A and C. Am I right? So it is exactly 2. Okay, so it means that probability of exactly 2 means that 4 plus, then what about these 5? How many? These 5 countries are using only B and C. Am I right? So these 5 are exactly 2. You can't include this 4 because that 4 are using A, B and C, common for all the 3 methods. Okay, so these 5 we can include because they are using only 2 methods, B and C. So it is 4 plus 5 plus, then which one? Exactly 2 methods. In this B and A, these 8 countries are using exactly 2 methods, B and A. Okay, so plus 8 the whole divided by total how many? 54. So check in your calculator, what is answer? 17 over, am I right? Yeah, 17 over 54. What is the simplified answer? That's all. Okay, so it means that probability of exactly 2 methods is 17 over 54. So that is question number 10.1.2. Now let's move to next question. Is it 10.2? Yeah, question number 10.2. Okay, question number 10.2. Okay, question number 10.2. 10.2. Okay, MR.MATHSZA may choose DVDs from 3 categories as listed in the table below. So you have to look at that table. Okay, so there are 3 categories of CD. What are the 3 categories? First one is drama, second one is romance, and the third one is comedy. So in drama, how many methods are there? How many different categories are there under drama? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 categories, right? Okay. So under drama, you can see that there are 5 different categories. You have to look at the question, what are the categories there? Okay. Then under romance, how many categories are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 categories. Okay. So under romance, it's a 4 different categories. Under comedy, how many categories are there? Only 3 categories are there. Okay. So under drama, 5 categories. Under romance, 4. Under comedy, 3. Okay. Now what is the first question? 10.2.1. What is that question? MR.MATHSZA must choose one DVD from drama category. So MR.MATHSZA must choose one CD from this drama category. What is the probability that she will choose midnight? So look at that question. Look at that table. One item is here. One item is midnight. Okay. So what is the probability to get that midnight? So what is the probability? Probability of MR.MATHSZA choose. Probability that she will choose a midnight. Say so. Probability of MR.MATHSZA choose midnight. It is enough to write midnight. So one category here it is. You can look at that table in your question paper. Okay, one category is midnight, and what is the probability of MR.MATHSZA choose midnight from drama? Okay, so midnight is one category. Okay, total how many categories are there in drama? 5. So what is the probability? Probability of midnight is 1 out of 5. That means 1 over 5. Okay, next question, 10.2.2. How many different selections are possible if her selection must include one drama, one romance, and one comedy? Okay, those who watched that theory part, maybe you remember rule 1. Okay, so those who didn't watch, you must watch that theory part. Okay, where I explained rule 1. Okay, there after you watch that one, this one is very easy to answer. Okay, so anyway, here look at question number 10.2.2. How many different selections are possible? So here underline that word, how many different. Underline that word, how many different. How many means you just want to find the number. Am I right? Look at the previous question. What was the question? Underline that one, previous question. Probability that she will choose midnight. So here in this question we are supposed to find the probability, but here you have to find just how many. That means you have to just find the number. You understand? Okay, so when you write your exam, 2 types of question, you must read the question very carefully. Okay, one type is to find the how many are there. You just want to find the number. But the second type is what is the probability. You have to differentiate that one. You have to read that sentence very carefully and try to understand, is it to find the number or a probability. Okay, so here in this 10 point question number 10.2.2, you have to find the number. Am I right? Okay, how many different selections are possible if her selection must include one drama, one romance, and one comedy? Okay, how can we, what are the different options in drama? How many options are there? 5 options. Okay, so for one drama, one romance, and one comedy, total how many possibilities are there? So how can you find how many options for a drama? There are 5 options. Am I right? So it is out of that 5 options, she must select one. Okay, how many options for romance? There are 4 options. So out of that 4 options, she can select one of that one. Okay, how many options for comedy? 3 options. So out of from that 3, she can select any one of that one. That means here she is having 3 different options. So total how many options? 12 plus 12 times 5, that is 60. That means she have 60 different options. Okay, if she select one from each category. Okay, that is question number 10.2.2. Now let's go to question number 10.2.3. Okay, what is 10.2.3? Calculate the probability that, again back to probability, underline that word, calculate the probability. Okay, so here we have to find the probability. Okay, calculate the probability that she will have last hero and laughing dragon as part of her selection. So look at that table here. There is an option last hero, and where is laughing dragon? That's under comedy, first option. Okay, laughing dragon. Okay, so this is one option and this is another option. Okay, this option last hero is under drama and laughing dragon is under comedy. Okay, so here what is the question? Calculate the probability that she will have last hero and laughing dragon as part of her selection. What is the probability of last hero? To get last hero, last hero is one item out of how many items? 5 items. So what is the probability to get last hero? Probability of last hero, and you have to write that one when you write your exam. Okay, probability of getting last hero and what is that, laughing dragon, is equal to, what is the probability to get the last hero? How many drama items are there? 5. So out of that 5, one item last hero, that is 1. Okay, so 1 over 5. Okay, times, what is the probability to get a comedy, this laughing dragon? That is one item from how many options? 3 options. So what is the probability there? 1 over 3. That means probability of getting last hero and laughing dragon is 1 over 5 times 1 over 3. That is 1 times 1, 1, 5 times 3, 15. So the probability is 1 over 15. Okay, so that is question number 10.2.3, and that's the end of February-March 2015 probability section. Okay, so guys, hope you understand. Okay, so batch again and try to understand. Okay, see you on next class. Thank you.